Let's talk about CloneWeb AI in this review. My name is Charles Draven from InfoSpike, and what I do is that I provide tips on online marketing the simple way, and then also provide my reviews. I give my insights and experience feedback from over 10 years of experience of building online businesses. So let's go ahead and get started here. When people see this website, the sales letter, they might think it's a way to riches. This system, CloneWeb AI, created by Kundan, is touted as a simple way to replicate any website. Just copy and paste the URL, and CloneWeb AI recreates a site on its servers. This includes design, content, and underlying code. But does it really work? So let's go ahead and talk about that. So it promises an easy website creation method, even for beginners. Its drag and drop editor lets you customize clone sites without coding, change text, swap images, and add your branding in minutes. You might be wondering if that's okay. I'll address that soon. So you could use AI, and it has an AI writer, generates unique articles and product descriptions. No more writer's block or expensive freelancers. Just let AI just tell what you need and watch it work its magic. It has hosting that's blazing fast. That's what it claims. It says that your clone sites are on its fast servers with SSL encryption and daily backups. No more worrying about slow loading times or security breaches. Just focus on growing your business. You can monetize your skills with their commercial license. It lets you build and sell websites, create sites for clients, or sell pre-made templates. Turns your website building skills into a money-making venture. I'll have to address this more pretty soon because there are potential issues. So here it is. CloneWeb AI offers a tempting shortcut to online success. Its cloning and hosting AI features could save you time and money. However, consider the ethical implications of cloning. Ethical and also legal. So that is the thing. Imagine that you want to clone Amazon, or you want to clone Facebook. The thing is that there are designs that might seem very attractive, but there are potential legal implications cloning people's content and design. And I'll also tell you about this even with images. I used to work at a web marketing company where we used images. We didn't steal people's images, but what we did is that we used a company that eventually got acquired. And then that other company, I'll just say, it became a very large supplier of some royalty-free and non-royalty-free images. And so what happened is that they enforced some extreme legal measures. So we use these images across thousands of websites, and then they find the company millions and millions and millions of dollars. So just because you could copy a website, it doesn't mean it's right. Just because it's so easy because the software says you could do it, it doesn't mean it's right. Especially if you're here in the United States, getting sued is easier compared to somebody that is doing it in a country that has very different types of laws. I'm not an attorney or anything like that, but I could foresee people from other countries where doing these kind of things is something that is not within their idea of ethics or legal issues. That's all I got to say. But anyways, for me, I'd be kind of worried about this. So if you're doing it to actually use it and sell, think about that twice. But if you do change it up and if you do get inspiration, that's another story. So if you are trying to do this fast and you are using it as inspiration and you're modifying to the point where it's something that creates something that is very unique, then it might be worth exploring. But again, if you are thinking about doing a perfect clone, consider it deeply. It might lead to some legal issues. You might get a cease and desist letter or something from an attorney. Just be very careful. There are other ways to make money a simple way. And that brings us to this. I am offering a PDF guide for those that are looking to make money the simple way online. And this is something that will allow you to understand what is a very simple business model that you could apply even starting today, even for free if you want to just get your juices flowing in your head, build an understanding of how to build a business online, this PDF is for you. Just go ahead and go to my description. If you're watching this on YouTube, go to the description and click on my link and you'll get the PDF guide. And if you're looking at this through my articles, like a blog post, just go ahead and go to the link that's closer to the video, and then you'll be able to get access. My name is Charles Draven from InfoSpike. Thank you for watching.